Wow, it's very hot. It's grasshopper, small grasshopper, and this one is cockroach or grasshopper, cricket, caterpillar, dragonfly, beautiful, fly. Yes, this one is spider, small spider. Its green color is so beautiful. Is dragonfly and lizard. Wow, so beautiful, so cute. Fly. Wow, so beautiful. Small grasshopper. So beautiful. Dong cricket. Ladybug. Ladybugs. Another one. Yeah. And black cricket. Yeah, black cockroach. This baby frog and baby cricket. Millipede. And this one spider. Yeah. Wow. This is the grasshopper. Small grasshopper. And this one is cockroach. Yeah. Brown cockroach. And this one I call the same grasshopper. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I call grasshopper. And this one, yeah, I also call grasshopper, but it's different body and a different color. Yeah, this one is brown. This one is green, and this one is baby grasshopper. It's very small, and this is yeah, this is the couple of grasshopper, but I am not sure. Yes, and now they are honeymoon. Honeymoon. Yes, and this one is cricket. Cricket. Yeah, two cricket. This one is brown cricket, and this one is baby brown cricket. Yeah, you can see, so beautiful. Yeah, and this one is caterpillar. Caterpillar. Caterpillar is sleeping. Yeah, and this one is dragonfly. This one is yellow dragonfly. It's so beautiful. Yes, you can see dragonfly. So beautiful. Wow, you can see this grasshopper is so beautiful. Wow. This grasshopper is very big. Wow. Now he go away. Wow. This is one more grasshopper. So beautiful. Yes, you can see. It's so beautiful grasshopper. And this one is fly. Yes. Fly is sleeping at night at 8 p.m. at night. And this one is spider. This one is spider, small spider. Yeah, small spider. Now he's sleeping. Wow, look the insect. It's so beautiful. Yeah, you can see. It's green. Its green color is so beautiful. I don't know, but it looks so beautiful. Wow, and this is one more insect. Wow. Wow, this one is dragonfly. Another dragonfly. But it's so beautiful than another one. Yes, this one is. It look like green. It's green skin. You can see the around the body. It's so beautiful, green color. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow, this one is lizard. Yeah, baby lizard. You can see baby lizard. Wow, so beautiful, so cute. Baby lizard. And this one, another insect, but I don't know what does it call. Wow, he ran away now. And this one is butterfly. Wow, so beautiful. Beautiful butterfly. And this one is small grasshopper. You can see it's the same grasshopper. Yeah. Small grasshopper. Wow, and this one is baby lizard. Yes, another one. Baby lizard is sleeping. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. Baby lizard. Wow, and this one is called Dong Cricket. Wow, so beautiful. Dong Cricket. Wow, this one is ladybug. You can see ladybug, brown ladybug. And now he is running. And this one is cockroach, small cockroach. Yes, cockroach. And this one is mosquito. You can see mosquito here. And this one is ladybugs. Another one. Yeah, another one. Ladybug. It's so beautiful. Now he ran away. Ladybug. And this is small baby grasshopper. You can see small baby grasshopper. And this one is another grasshopper. And this one is blister beetle. Yeah, blister beetle. Wow, it's very hot. It burned my arm. And this one is so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. Now he fly away. Wow. And this one is black cricket. You can see this one is black cricket. Yeah, it's black. It's black body, black skin, black cricket. And this one is cockroach, black cockroach. Yeah, this one is black cockroach. Wow, and this one is so beautiful. Yeah. It's the same grasshopper. Yeah. Wow, and this is baby frog and baby cricket. Yeah, this is the baby frog. Now he ran away. And this one is cricket, baby cricket. Yeah, you can see baby cricket. And this one is, I don't know. And this one is butterfly, small butterfly. Wow, and this one is another insect. You can see. There are a lot of insects in my village. Wow, this is millipede. And this one, I don't know. This one. And this one is millipede. Red small millipede. And this one, I'm not sure what is one. And this one is spider. Spider. Beautiful spider. Wow, look at. Wow, this one is frog. This one is frog. Frog. He ran so fast. This frog, you can see, so beautiful frog.